Looking for windows that balance strength, style, and efficiency? Window World of West Michigan delivers custom-built solutions designed for everyday homes, volatile weather, and dependable comfort over time. Window World of West Michigan offers 100% custom, American-made windows with insulated glass, durable frames, and finishes that never require painting. These energy-efficient products are engineered to resist weather and fit homes with precision and lasting performance. Vinyl window features and options. America's #1 window is built for durability and value throughout the homes of Grand Rapids and Kentwood. Energy-efficient vinyl windows with low E glass, double-hung, sliding, casement, bay, garden, picture, and architectural options with a lifetime limited warranty. Behind every installation is a trained team focused on proper fit, smooth operation, and long-term performance. From consultation through installation, craftsmanship and attention to detail guide each step of the window replacement process. Free quotes and flexible financing options make high-quality vinyl windows more accessible. Product choices are designed to support comfort and efficiency while fitting a range of budgets, helping homeowners plan upgrades without unnecessary financial pressure. Ready to refresh your home with windows or siding, doors and roofing, built for comfort, efficiency, and durability? Schedule your free quote today and see how your project comes together.